I'm looking at the Vermeer CTX160 engine. I just noticed that there is a leak coming down the side of the block here, so I think it's coming from that hole on top here. So I'm gonna tighten up these holes here. And see if I can fix that. I didn't notice that leak at all. What number is this? Okay, I gotta be very careful not to drop this socket in here. It's gonna be hard for me to find it. Okay, so I'm gonna
Ủa thì cái buồn gió ha. I think lúc nào thì tao có trong khoai mà nó là không à?
Oh, he do.
I don't know what he do, but he did a good job.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then Miss Sandra wanted me to share about him learning, so I'm going to send her 2 pictures tomorrow that I took from him doing his homework.
Here. No, the metal. So if I como child, I hit the gas tank now. I got to put a metal plate. Huh? Này, get up. Hey, don't mess with that. Don't mess with that.
Okay, then.
Hey, what are you talking about?
I heard. I heard, Daddy.
Yeah.
I heard. Ow! I'm bleeding. I heard.
Who did that?
I know. I heard.
So let's see how it looks. That's it. All right. This is how much light I get from the LED lights. Lights in the back and the front. And I put a switch right here, easy to access.